Hi, you guys. This is Shiny. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm making lentil soup. I love lentil soup. Fresh lentil soup. So let's get right into it. So I use about 3 to 4 carrots, one whole onion, sweet onion, about medium size. I use about 3 to 4 yellow tomato, not tomatoes, but potatoes, and I also use about 2 to 3 tomatoes, and chop it up nice and fine. And then I use olive oil and butter into the pot, and I sauteed the carrots, the onions, and the garlic. I use minced garlic, and I use 2 cups of lentil beans. So after the garlic, carrots, and onions are sauteed, you kind of want to get a little soft, and then I added in the seasonings, and I used fresh tomatoes and also 1 can of diced tomatoes. And after you put the seasonings in there, I put about maybe 4 to 5 cups of chicken broth. It depends how much soup you're trying to make. You could add in more, you could add in less. So after everything is added, you want to bring everything to a boil. And after it's boiling, then you want to turn down the stove and bring it to a simmer. And then you're going to put the cover top over it. And then I let mine cook about an hour. But you're going to keep stirring because you don't want the beans to stick to the bottom of the pot. So when I say my house smelled so fresh, oh, it was, if you could just imagine how my house smelled. I mean, this soup tastes so good, and it turned out really wonderful. This is how it turned out. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless.